today. A is for astronaut, blast off high to the stars we go. B is for balloon, floating up into the sky so slow. C is for cloud, puffing by so fluffy and free. D is for dragon, breathing fire, watch it roll with glee. E is for engine, chugging along, a train on the track. F is for feather, floating down with a soft little flap. G is for galaxy, stars and planets so far we see. H is for hedgehog, rolling in a ball so spiky and cute. I is for ilex, surrounded by waves in the big blue sea. J is for jelly, wobbly and sweet, it's a tasty treat. K is for kangaroo, jumping high in the Aussie land. L is for lighthouse, low, guiding ships safely to the sand. M is for moon and glowing bright in the midnight sky. N is for ninja, sneaking moves as they swiftly fly. O is for ocean, waves are crashing, the fish do glow. P is for pirate, sailing the seas with the treasure chest. Q is for querret, flapping wings running through the grass. R is for rocket, zooming through space with a great big blast. S is for spider, spinning webs, hanging with grace. T is for trident, chugging along on the railroad track. U is for unicorn, galloping through the sky so blue. V is for volcano, erupting with lava, splashing the view. W is for wizard, casting spells with a magic wand. X is for xylophone, playing music with notes that dance. Y is for yeti, hiding in the snow so big and strong. Z is for zebra, stripes so bold, running along. L, you play the ABC, sing it